Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to clean split AC filters which you have in your home. You don't need to pay anyone. You can do this on yourself. So first you have to switch off your fan. If it is running, let's wait. This video is about how to clean your filters in your split AC. So after performing this, you can clean your split AC filters yourself. Let's wait till the fan completely shuts it down. Just a few more seconds, please. And I'll be showing you the entire process from start to till the end, so that you don't miss anything. So the fan is stopped now. So let's move on. Reach to your AC wherever it is and turn off the power button. Now there will be two hooks present at both sides of your AC. You need to just enter your finger there and push on one side, and enter your finger in another side and push, and it will pop up like this, and it will pop wheel, and it will pop up like this. Sorry for my bad English, my health is not well today. So here is the one of the filters. You can clearly see that there is so much dust on it. Keep it on your floor. Remove the another filter. Keep it on your floor, and then take the filters with you and follow me to my washroom, where we need to clean these so that we can reuse them. So if you have a so if you have to put the filter at the bottom of the your running pipe like this, and it will take a little bit more time for me because I am doing it with one hand, as I am holding the phone camera in the other hand. So please bear with me. I hope you can see what I am doing. Sorry for my shaking hand, because I am, like I mentioned previously, I am doing this with one hand only. I hope you can see what I am trying to do here. And I'm showing you everything from start till end. So sorry for making you wait till the fan stopped, but I just wanted to show you the entire procedure. So one filter is clean now. Let's move on to the another. As again, like I mentioned previously, hope you can see what I am trying to do. Sorry for my shaking hands, because I am doing this with one hand only, as the phone is on another hand. Most places will have these filters, most places actually. So you can do this yourself after like 3 to 4 months. You need to just open the front side of your AC. There will be two notches like I shown in the video. After opening that notches, you can pull out the two filters from there and just clean under the running water like this. And you can easily do this yourself also. I am doing this since like last 3-4 years now. Many times you might have this issue. You might have faced this issue that where your AC is not cleaning properly. So this is the main reason, one of the main reasons I should say, that your filters got dirty. And like you can see, it is very easy to clean all by yourself, and you don't need to take anyone's help for doing this. So both the filters are already cleaned up now. Stop the call, let's stop the running water. And let's wait until they're still wet, so we will have to wait. You can use a piece of cloth maybe to dry them faster, or you can wait until they dry. Maybe I should use a cloth. Once again, sorry for my shaky hand, because I am doing this with one hand only. And sorry for my bad English also. You can clean the water out like this way. You don't want to wait to dry them naturally. So one filter is done now. Let's move on to another. Almost done. Please give me one more minute, please, and it will be completed. So it's done. Let's take both the filters and get back to your AC. Make sure the fan is turned off. Now try to position the filters like this. Push it backwards. And it should fit properly. Now let's do for the second filter. Now it's fit. Now close down the front cover of your AC. Press the both side and it will stick. Now switch on the AC. Let it run for like half an hour and you should definitely feel the improvement in the cooling. So hope you like this video. After like 3 to 4 months you should do it yourself. You can just like I showed you in the video. You just need to uh, pop up the both side of the AC, and it will pop open, and you can take out the filters and just clean the filters under running water. But make sure before doing anything you need to uh, turn off your AC, and also the fan if it is running. Hope you like this video. Please watch, comment, watch the full video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. This is my first video on my channel. Hope you like this, and may hopefully this will solve your issue of cooling in your split AC. Thank you.